Harold Santana Simon's defense lawyers leave the courthouse escorted by police officers around noon on Friday. An hour earlier, a jury found their 29-year-old client not guilty of second-degree murder, the verdict setting off an angry outburst by some people sitting in the gallery. After the jury foreman said not guilty to count one second-degree murder, the family of Roxburgh-Carpino looked shocked. The judge asked for clarification, and the foreman repeated not guilty. Harold Simon, who was standing in the prisoner's box, then sat down and put his face in his hands as friends and family of Roxburgh-Carpino began yelling and screaming. The Crown argued that Harold Simon let himself into his ex-girlfriend Santori Kamara's apartment near Eglinton and Dufferin at 5 a.m. on May 11, 2024, after learning that she was texting with other men. Kamara had blocked him on her phone. The Crown argued Simon was annoyed when he got to the bedroom and realized Roxburgh-Carpino was staying over. The Crown said when the 20-year-old friend would not leave, Simon, fueled by jealousy and anger, put a gun to her head and pulled the trigger because he wanted to kill her. Roxburgh-Carpino's DNA was found on the muzzle of the illegal handgun. After the shooting, Simon ran off and tried to hide. He was arrested in a high-risk takedown later that day. Police found the loaded firearm. By the end of the trial, defense lawyers conceded Simon was guilty on 2 other counts he was charged with: possessing a prohibited firearm and occupying a motor vehicle knowing there was a prohibited firearm. In its closing address, the defense told the jury Simon went to his ex-girlfriend's apartment that night to reconcile and have sex, and said he was no longer upset. Simon testified when he arrived, things escalated, and the ex-girlfriend pulled out his loaded handgun that Simon kept in the girlfriend's bedside dresser for protection. Simon testified when he tried to disarm her, the gun accidentally went off. He said he panicked afterwards, which is why he fled. A sentencing hearing for Simon on the 2 gun charges has yet to be scheduled. Simon is facing a deportation order upon completion of his sentence, given he has no status here in Canada. Catherine McDonald, Global News.